of what God gave us for sure. And I want to take care of you when it comes to the next several days. We've got some major weather headed in our direction, and that's going to come not only from the stalled out front that we have right now, but as we make our way Thursday night into Friday, that's when we're going to have what is then left of Helene moving into our area, and that could potentially bring some severe weather in our area. Now, when it comes to the amount of rain, I know we're really trying to get out of this drought. Because of this tropical system, if the track continues at this rate and at this particular location, we're looking at an additional 2 to 4 inches in the central areas, and areas across the plateau, potentially an additional 4 to 5 inches. That's a lot of water. So localized flooding will be something to monitor. As far as any residual rain that does go into the rivers and the creeks, because we have been in such a drought, our water levels are actually pretty good, which is such a blessing since we are anticipating so much more in the way of rain moving in. Right now, visibility slightly altered in some spots, especially those that did receive a nice healthy downpour yesterday. Right now in the city, we're coming in 69 to start off our morning. Over in Lebanon, y'all are already out at the gym. So impressed by you guys. Y'all are coming in at 69 degrees as well. So that cold front that moved through, well, it's starting to lollygag. It's going to stall out. So basically, it's just going to wobble back and forth across Middle Tennessee and Southern Kentucky for today. With that being said, that's going to keep us most likely unstable. Now, that doesn't mean it's going to rain all day. That's not the case, but we will have rain chances as we do go throughout now late morning, but also into the afternoon. Temperatures right now are in the 60s as well as the low 70s. Because of this system and where it is located, it's also going to keep clouds with us, and that's going to keep temperatures on the lower side. I'm talking highs today only in the mid to upper 70s. Locations more so west, you will have the opportunity to be a little warmer than areas eastward because y'all will see a little bit in the way of sunshine. Rain chances, though, are rather low in the central locations, but they do really start to go up as we make our way across the plateau, just because of how this is situated. So y'all do have some opportunities. It's not going to rain all day. Tomorrow starts out incredibly dry and even bright for some of us, but it's tomorrow night going into Friday, where we are going to see what is then left of Helene moving into our area. And you can tell because of this track, we're going to have heavier showers first across the plateau, and then you're going to start to have more of that wraparound moisture as we make our way throughout the rest of Middle Tennessee and Southern Kentucky. Hence why areas to the east, you're going to have a higher accumulation rate. The locations to the west, regardless, we're going to get soaked and saturated, and we're going to have a lot of wind to coincide with it. Winds will be gusting in the 30s and potentially even 40s. Now, because of the setup of this, of course, it is a tropical system. It's got tropical characteristics, so you know the rain and the wind are coming, but there's also an aspect of potential for some spin-up tornadoes. Not saying that to ever frighten you, but I want you to know what we're working with and how you can prepare. So today, easy peasy, just wet across the plateau, isolated showers elsewhere. Temperatures are going to be in the upper 70s. Tomorrow starts out dry. It's tomorrow night, overnight into Friday, where we're really going to have a lot of wind and a lot of rain. That's then going to linger parts of us into Saturday and Sunday. Not looking to wash out. Your biggest rain chances are Thursday night into Friday, but we'll still have some rain chances with us. Not looking to be as large of an accumulation, but still keeping temperatures down with all those clouds. Amy, we're talking highs only in the upper 70s and low 80s. Nikki-Dee.